Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I'll show you how to add a collaborator in a GitHub account. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. After connecting, simply head to your browser and open your GitHub application or GitHub account. After going on github.com, I have already logged into my account, as you can see. Now to add a collaborator, simply open your repository where you want to add your collaborator. Suppose I want to add here in this repository named as subscribe. So simply go to the setting option. After going to the setting option, you will see the option called collaborators. At the bottom of the general, simply click on it. After clicking it, it may ask you to confirm. Simply confirm it by confirming from the mobile. After you have approved, this interface will come. After this, you will see option called manage access, and you will see here add people. Simply click on add people. And to find people, you can write their name, or you can write their email address or full name, and simply click on add to repository. And that's how you add your collaborators in your GitHub account or in your repository. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.